Hello students, today we are going to learn the topic shape and angles. Shapes and angles are everywhere like the wheels on a car or the windows of a building. Even when opening a door or doing yoga, you can spot different angles and movements. Now, let's understand what a shape is. A shape is the form or outline of an object, like round, square, or triangle. It helps us recognize and describe things we see around us. For example, a ball has a round shape, while a book has a rectangular shape. These shapes help us identify the objects easily. Moving on, there are basically two types of 2D shapes, open shapes and closed shapes. Now, let us discuss open shapes and closed shapes in detail. An open shape is like a drawing where the lines don't connect and don't start and finish at the same spot. It's like a shape with some parts left open or lines that don't meet. For example, consider the shape square with missing some side or a shape like a rectangle that is missing one side. These are examples of open-sided shapes. On the other hand, a closed shape is like a drawing where you begin and finish at the same spot with no open ends. It's a complete shape with no gaps or loose ends. For example, a triangle is a closed shape because it forms a complete loop with no breaks. Next, let's talk about polygons. A polygon is a closed shape made up of straight lines. It must have at least three sides. Examples of polygons are triangles, 3 sides, quadrilaterals, 4 sides, and pentagons, 5 sides. Now, here are some tips to identify a polygon. First, they have straight sides, no curves. Second, they are closed shapes, all sides connect. Lastly, they have at least 3 sides, like a triangle, and can have many more. Let's check some solved examples. First, we need to identify whether certain shapes are open or closed shapes. The shapes shown above are open shapes. This is because they start and end at different points. The lines do not connect. In another example, if we identify different shapes again, these shapes are closed shapes. These are closed shapes because all the lines or curves are connected and the start and end points are the same. Now, let's consider a question. A circle is a closed shape. So, is it a polygon? The answer is that a polygon has at least 3 straight lines forming a closed shape. Since a circle has no straight lines, it is not a polygon. Next, what are angles? An angle is made when two lines meet at one point. Imagine a slice of pizza. Each slice has an angle at the pointy end. Angles are measured in degrees. When we measure angles in geometry, we find the measurement created when two lines meet at one common point. The unit of measurement of an angle is degree. The sign, degree, represents a degree. Examples of angles are 30 degrees, 45 degrees, and 90 degrees. To measure angles accurately, a protractor is used. It helps us find the degree of angles easily. Now, let's classify angles into 3 categories. First, we have acute angles, which are greater than 0 and less than 90 degrees. Second, a right angle is exactly equal to 90 degrees. Lastly, we have obtuse angles, which are greater than 90 and less than 180 degrees. Let's look at acute angles. The internal measurement of two straight lines, where the angle measures more than 0 degrees but less than 90 degrees, can be something like 45 degrees, 75 degrees, or 60 degrees. A right angle is equal to 90 degrees, which is the perfect corner you see in squares and rectangles. Next, we have obtuse angles. The internal measurement of two straight lines, where the angle measures more than 90 degrees but less than 180 degrees, can be 120 degrees or 150 degrees. Did you know? If the angle is equal to 180 degrees, It is called a straight angle. Now let's talk about angles into D shapes. A triangle is a three-sided geometrical figure with three angles. The sum of angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. Next, a quadrilateral is a four-sided geometrical figure with four angles. The sum of angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degrees. Examples include squares and rectangles. Moving ahead, a pentagon is a five-sided geometrical figure with five angles. A regular pentagon has all angles equal to 108 degrees. Similarly, a hexagon is a six-sided geometrical figure with six angles. A regular hexagon has all angles equal to 120 degrees. Angles also appear in everyday life, like on a clock. A clock shows different angles, such as acute, obtuse, straight, and complete angles. The full circumference of the clock equals 360 degrees, and the angle between each hour mark is 30 degrees. For example, the angle between 1 o'clock and 2 o'clock is 30 degrees. Let's solve a few examples. What kind of angles are made by the given yogic poses below? The answers are A. Acute angle, B. Obtuse angle, and C. Right angle. In this video, we covered shapes, the differences between open and closed shapes, polygons, and angles. We also talked about how angles are measured, types of angles, and their applications in everyday life. Understanding these concepts will help you see the world in a new, geometric way. We hope that you have understood the topic. You can now study chapter notes, watch video lectures, and solve MCQ tests of this chapter on EduRev to ensure you score well in your school exams. And that's not all. You also get amazing courses for maths, science, English, Hindi, and much more for class 5. Thank you.